Residents of 9 Miles Bull Bay flooded out again.
My name is Victoria Johnson. I'm 75 years old. And what we was saying the first time was bad, but it worse this time. Worse this time. I don't believe I'm going to live it out this time. Remember me, I tell you. Can't live out this. Can't live out this.
Did you receive any help after the previous flood?
No, we don't get no help from nobody. Just Red Cross and the church people them alone we get heard from. We don't get help from no MP, nobody.
Why is this flood worse than the previous one?
Because I got them the water but this time till toilet bowl, water lift up that. That. You know one amount of things where we throw it from morning, bed linen and all them something there.
Why don't you move from this area?
Look here, you see if we could get somewhere, this would have to take us somewhere else, but not here again. You hear? Because our consideration, we know say something like this will go on again, you know. But we don't have nowhere to go, we can't get nowhere.
If the government was to prepare somewhere else, would you go there?
Me not going back, sir. Me not going back, sir. That's too far for me.
So where are you willing to go?
Yes, we would go there. We would go there. We would go at West Heaven. And we would thankful.
Where were you when the flooding started?
Me stand up right there, so again, you know, just like the first time, you know. And the way of the water, the way of the flooding come down so fast. Not think of any water lick me here, so. And the little boy run there, so. I have to come and say, hold on to me, hold me. And bring me around there and say, hold on to the grill, hold on to the grill. You see, when the water come, like it want leak away from the grill. And we head for so. I make a tell you, big man, I got him safe, no make me drown yesterday out of the road out there, so. Come and see how me I go down beach road, and me I go end up right down a sea. Come me go down in a depth, go down. And two man hold me to one. I said, don't let me go, hold me. And them hold me and get me up on the little height out there, so. And them help me to get me across the bridge over to the corn shop. And it's there with it till certain hours. And somebody come with them people and come carry go over Maxfield Avenue.
Judith, another resident from the area, is crying out to the authorities for assistance.
My name is Judy. Yesterday I was here when the rain and the rain started fall. You have the gully right here by we, and then you have the one by Weise Road. When the one by Weise Road bus, all the water and the rubble and everything come down here, down Beach Road. Every time it come down here, nobody don't come out and help us down here. Anytime it bust, all of the rubble come down here and we down here. And them now send nobody for help we. We's road get clean up team, we never get none and see it happen again. See everything turned upside down in here. Mash up. I'm a 10-year-old top me Avan. I'm a 14-year-old bottom. Nothing. We don't have nothing. See it there? Everything. We let out whole heap of water.
Fridge mash up. The dresser mash up.
Mud in everything. More than assistant we want. One then send all soldier can help we clean too. And this a little bit of water. It's not enough water. And we deal out whole heap. I'm more this one, my brother. My brother and my son. Just move then. See in the room then. You don't have on your water boot, you can't even go here.
All in the house. The fridge, everything. Wet up.
Turn upside down and we lift up. We clear make you can't stand up. You can't come on your side and stand up on the box here.
We couldn't hold it and carry it in and then.
Meanwhile, other residents were observed trying to get back the pieces of their lives together.
I don't want to make a mash up this time. Eh? But not even come and go down the road and take things and go and bad. Nobody will not say I know. Hey. And the China them come and say chipping and try and give a tractor and truck. What not go on.
Oh no, we are going to go to country. The only way when they come, the only way is good. But tell us how long somebody live. I'm waiting to record it off. Call the video, so.
My name is Kevin Martin. My door knock and somebody say flood a come. The only thing me can grab is my 2 pieces of clothes. And me and my baby mother, by the time we look outside, I hope you saw the water reach over me. Right, I saw the water reach outside. Come up in my house. So people, me have to run go straight over my neighbor to show you how serious it is. The water run in here run like a river. Come from off a road, bus out of the gully, out of the main. If anything we could have flood down here people. Me I tell you straight up, we could have flood, but we want help from the MP, the Prime Minister, we need help down here. You understand? To see what going on down here. You know, easy power down here. You understand? The rough people, the rough power, we need a little help. Yeah, the same thing last year too. Same thing happened last year. I same thing we have to go through. And I only come through and video everything and boy I wanna see what going on now. And I same problem again what have again people. Me I tell you, Mr. Prime Minister, wherever you is, yes a party there, and yes I go on. We need help right here, so we need it. We definitely need help. We need the help. Right now, for relocate, we have a problem as long as somewhere where no flooding. You understand? For no flooding over there, we don't have no problem. But if a area where flooding are going, it don't make sense to relocate people there so. And I have the same problem. You understand? It don't make any sense. Because see me and my baby there, it's struggling. Me have to upside down. My sister down here, she gone go for her business days I don't see she. And flooding go on, she don't come here for 7, she come help her, see what go on down here. See all the things them here, me have to pack up things for bed to show you what go on. We don't see nobody here now. We don't hear nobody come and say nothing. Nobody will not see her now. So Mr. Prime Minister, you know where you're there? And yes, you're there. Flooding, everybody I get flooded out. So me have to there, we need the help. We definitely need it, Mr. Prime Minister. Anywhere he is, we just need the help. Respect, you know? Just need the help.
Name?
Yeah, man. Need the help, man.
Yeah, drove away. Sure, drove away. Okay.
Come on, mommy, come up. Come up, you know. Cameras first. Cameras first. Come now, master.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!